Let's in the meantime talk about the markets today, how they have been reacting as far as it has been a Black Monday. And many of them, investors especially, concerned over when it comes to the Monday mayhem in the markets. However, looks like it is open to the green, where Sensex is currently at 74,293. Sensex is up. And Nifty currently is at 22,517.60. It is also up by 356 points. Sharad is with us, connected with us. Good morning to you, Sharad. What do you make of the markets today? How are they behaving? Because there is still a lot of uncertainty and instability, and that is something that the investors don't want.
Well, yes, overnight there have been key developments and a lot of volatility coming in when it comes to the tariff. But what's important is the recovery. Now, we did see recovery coming in the Asian markets and also the European futures. And then also we are seeing an important effect coming in the Indian markets. A very strong rebound, a gap up opening coming in for Nifty and Nifty Bank, going up more than 1.5%. Now, this gain is not only for the benchmark indices, but also for the broader indices. This includes small cap indices and mid cap indices. All have them been on a tear. And if you look at the advanced decline ratio on a general basis, on a consolidated average basis, it's coming roughly 9:1. All the Nifty 50 shares are trading in the green. Major sectoral gainers, if you look at it, include real estate, metal, and also some good updates have been coming in, especially when it comes to the consumer discretionary part. Jewelry segment has done good updates. Then we are looking at strong updates coming from value retail. So there are certain pockets which are domestic facing industries. They might report strong Q4 numbers as well. And also market is factoring in, we're expecting a rate cut might be announced in tomorrow's RBI meet as well. So a lot of moving factors are actually coming good for the Indian economy, and we are seeing a lot of follow-on buying happening after sales coming in the last session. So this seems like it might be a terrific Tuesday as well, as we are seeing a strong recovery across the counters.
But Sharad, there is a lot of rising global uncertainty and a fear of slowdown in its biggest market, which is the US, is seen, taking a toll on Indians' IT industry as well, showing with several analysts now warning that possibly there could be a weak exit for the just ended financial year 25, maybe followed by an unexciting guidance as well. What do we make of it?
Well, yes, the export-facing companies, or you could say the segments, they would be in a question mark, and especially the IT segment which I had mentioned, because a lot of the IT deals which we get is actually tied to the discretionary consumptions, and the budgets are also tied up. So, of course, if there is uncertainty in US or from the government, it is going to impact the Indian companies as well. And same thing goes for the pharma segment as well, as IT and pharma are the important exports, at least going to US markets.
All right, Sharad, thank you very much for joining in. Appreciate you joining us. And as far as we are tracking the markets today, it has opened in the green. Now, that is coming across as a relief there. But even if we talk about over the uncertainty as far as US President Donald Trump's reciprocal tariffs that may have wiped out over $6 trillion on Wall Street, when it comes to back home in India, Indian stock benchmarks docked their first ever sessions that has been reported in the last 10 months on Monday, which was yesterday, the 7th of April, as growing fears of global recession has now set in. Now, with US President Donald Trump denying the presence of any inflation at all despite global market slump, blaming past leaders and foreign nations for exploiting the United States. He's defended the tariffs, claiming that they will bring billions weekly. And despite the mayhem, Trump is defending his tariff policies as long overdue corrective action against what he calls as unfair trade practices, especially with China. So urging Americans to stay strong, he is now warning against panic. Don't be a panican, being the exact words that he has used. Let's in the meantime focus when it comes to the Indian markets today. Of course, stability and recovery is something that the investors mainly are looking at. We'll be tracking more on that and getting you more expert point of views. With that, we head into a short break. You're watching the Morning News Hour.